In this video, we're going to discuss hiring an HVAC contractor. Now, in case you don't know, HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. And when choosing an HVAC contractor, the first thing is you may want to ask your friends and family for referrals. Often the best source for finding a good HVAC contractor is asking friends and family if they've used someone they are happy with. Ask what type of work the contractor did. Were they happy with the work, and was the price fair and in line with other contractors? You also want to verify that the contractor has required licenses and insurance. Be sure to check that the contractor is in compliance with all local and state licensing requirements and certifications. Also, be sure to ask for certificates of insurance for the contractor's workers' comp and liability insurance in the event of injury or damage to your property. You want to check for customer complaints. Do some due diligence by checking with your state attorney general's office and the Better Business Bureau for any complaints filed against the HVAC contractor you are considering. Online rating services also, such as Google+, Local, or Yelp, can give you some insight as to the reputation of the contractor. You want to ask for references. Talk with 2 or 3 past clients of the contractor to get some feedback on the quality of the work performed. Ask if they were completely satisfied with the experience, and if not, why not? Also, did the final bill come in as quoted? And if it didn't, ask again, why not? You also want to meet with the HVAC contractor in your home. Before making a final assessment and providing a firm quote for the services, the contractor should be willing to inspect your system and perform a diagnostic if necessary. Be wary of any contractor that makes a cursory inspection without asking many questions. You also want to obtain several bids before making your final choice. It's a good idea to get bids from at least 3 contractors before selecting the HVAC specialist for the job. Overall cost is important, but be sure to also compare the quality of the components installed or replaced, including energy efficiency rating and warranties. Finally, get it all in writing. Once you've narrowed it down to your final selection, ask the HVAC contractor to put it all in writing. Things that you want to see in writing are all costs and fees, start and completion dates, guarantees and warranties, and payment due dates. Most importantly, be sure that you received a detailed summary of all of the work to be completed and systems to be installed, including brand and model numbers. There should be no surprises or deviations from the written proposal without your approval. So, to find the best local HVAC contractors is easy. There's no obligation to receive free proposals from some of the top licensed contractors servicing in your area. So what are you waiting for? Just click the link below to find the right professional at the right price now.